This meditation is to help support you increase the health in your body and increase the health in all of your well-being. So now I'm going to ask you to imagine bringing in light from above all the way below to the center of the earth and then back up again. So in essence, you have this incredible nourishing energy from above and below. And it's coming from all sides, through you, around you, permeating every cell in your body. And just take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And relax and let yourself go. And just start to feel into your body. We want to call on blessings from all of the heavens, from all of the universe, from the earth, from all beings. We're going to call upon blessings for the most nourishing health now. We're going to call upon ease in the body and grace as we move. We're going to call upon and request that every strand of DNA, that every cell, that everything in our body is completely reborn energetically now. We allow ourselves 100% full permission to completely reset and be fully reborn in this body at this moment. So take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and another deep breath in and out. And what we want to do is ask that we fully awaken all of the knowledge in ourselves that remember how to be perfectly healthy. We're going to be grateful and thank the body for everything it has ever done for us, everything it has ever given us, every time it has shown us it is there to support us. I want you to thank your body. I want you to tell your body that you love your body, that you're proud of your body, and that you want to work with your body to achieve perfect health. You want to support your body, and you can give your body right now 100% energetic support to completely reset, to feel renewed, to feel reborn, and to be completely alive. Now I want you to take a deep breath in, full of life and gratitude, and a deep breath out, releasing the old. And another deep breath in, breathe in all the gratitude of health. And a full deep breath out, releasing all the old patterns that do not serve you anymore. Know that your body is always creating new cells. It is always being reborn. Thank it for everything that it's doing. Thank you for the miracles that it's about to do for you. Get excited and be supportive and listen to your body. Right now, ask your body, what can I do for you that is supportive and nourishing? right now, what is it that you would like? And just stay in the stillness for a few seconds or a few minutes. Just listen to your body. Listen to what it's saying. What is it that it's seeking from you? Does it need more praise? Does it need more love? Does it need better nourishment? More water? Does it need more movement? And to feel more free? What is it that your body is needing from you? And once you have done listening to your wonderful body, I want you to thank your body and honor these impressive machines that take care of us, that serve us, and that do so much to house our souls and to help us achieve incredible creativity in this life. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for everything you have given me. Thank you for all the miracles you are always showing me. And thank you for choosing me as the soul you want to host. I honor you, I bless you, and I am forever grateful to you. Now take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and another breath in